At flea markets, you can find true treasures, sometimes hidden in the most unexpected places. This old battered pot might have looked like nothing more than scrap metal at first glance, but I saw its potential and decided to give it a brand new life. After giving it a good wash off camera, it was time for the transformation to begin. First, I covered up all the dents and scratches with a paint color close to the pot's original shade, but I wanted to add a touch of elegance, so I painted the handles, the rivets, and the rim in gold. That small detail instantly gave the pot character and turned it into something truly unique. If you'd like to support my creative projects, you can find me on Patreonite. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. I love how this project captures that warm, rustic vibe. It feels like something straight out of a countryside home. I left the inside of the pot unpainted to keep its original, authentic look. Finally, I transformed it into a planter and added a blooming houseplant with gorgeous red flowers. Looking at the before and after, it's hard to believe this is the same old, worn-out pot. It just goes to show that with a little imagination and creativity, you can turn forgotten items into something beautiful and full of life.